Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I'm going to take my little skillet and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to saute my onion in that olive oil for about 4 minutes until the onion gets soft. Once my onion is sauteed, I'm going to add about a clove or two of garlic. I use this garlic in a jar, and I just grabbed a big spoonful of it because I love garlic. And you just want to mix it in and cook it for about 30 seconds. You don't want to burn your garlic, but just to let it get that little fragrant. And you're going to add it to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste, whatever you like. I'm just doing a pinchful and, 2 pinchfuls and some pepper. I'm just going to shake my pepper over my meat. Now I'm adding 1/3 cup of heavy cream, about 1/2 cup of freshly grated parmesan. I'm adding a teaspoon of dried parsley. You can add a tablespoon of fresh if you want, but I didn't have any. And I'm adding an egg. Now you just want to mix everything well, and I use my hands because that seems to be the best way for me. And you don't want to overwork your meatloaf, but you just want to make sure everything gets good and mixed. Now you just want to pour that and pat it into a loaf pan. And I've sprayed my loaf pan. And you just give it a good pat, push it down, and I have my oven preheating at 450 degrees. You want to bake it for about 30 minutes until it's done. And here it is right out of the oven. You want to let it sit in your pan for about 10 minutes. And then I'll scoop it out. And here it is. I'll never win a prize for plate presentation, but it sure tasted good. In fact, my husband liked it better than my regular meatloaf. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all. Oh, and the leftovers made the best meatloaf sandwich.